and I'm the Chief Educator of iAM Integrative Skincare. I'm here today to walk you through how best to use our Core 3 skincare products, our Cleansing Tonic, Pure Moisture, and Radiance C. Before I get started, I want to note a few things about our products. The first thing is if you look at the back of our bottle, you will see that there are no more than 5 ingredients in any of our skincare products. They are also made with all natural preservatives, so it is safe for all skincare types. The second thing I want to note is if a product is worth its weight, it needs to be slightly activating for you to get the most benefit out of the product. These benefits include increasing skin radiance, reducing fine lines, shrinking your pores, and evening out your skin tone. I'm now going to show you how I use these Core 3 skincare products in my daily routine and hopefully give you an insight on how best to use them in yours. The first product I use in the morning and at night is the Cleansing Tonic, which is a 5% glycolic acid and has the benefits of pH balancing, skin turnover, and collagen stimulation. The best way to use this product is in the morning and night, a pump each, washing your face for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then washing off with lukewarm water. I will occasionally do an at-home facial with this product by leaving it on a little bit longer, about 1 minute, and then washing it off. I would recommend doing this before bed because there are some skin types that will be a little bit redder after doing this. The product that I use next is the Pure Moisture, which is our 1% medical grade hyaluronic acid, and it is in all our skin cells, acting as little sponges that hold in the water to maintain moisture in your skin. We actually lose hyaluronic acid as we age, so the Pure Moisture product is actually a true skin supplement for your aging skin. The best way to use this product is 1 pump in the morning and at night on slightly damp skin from washing it previously with the Cleansing Tonic. One great thing about this product is that you can use it throughout the day if your skin's feeling a little extra dry, and then it's light enough where you can put it over your makeup so it will not smudge it. The last product I use is the Radiance C, which is our 10% buffered vitamin C. Our skin loves vitamin C because it is needed to produce collagen to keep our skin looking youthful. It is also one of the most potent antioxidants in the body, and in order to control aging, we need to reduce skin oxidation. Therefore, we need this antioxidant in order to slow the aging process. The way that I use the Radiance C is I put 1 pump in the morning and at night over my Pure Moisture product that I used previously. And this will give me a nice glow for the rest of the day or before I go to bed. I hope this short video has given you better insight on how to best utilize our Core 3 skincare products. If you want to hear more on how iAM Integrative Skincare was developed during Dr. Miller's time in Asia, you can click on the link below to learn more. There will also be a link below to a short video that will show you some advanced tips on how to elevate your use of our Core 3 skincare products. For spending your morning with me, I want to offer you all 10% off any of our Core 3 skincare products. We also offer it in travel sizes in case you want to try the product before purchasing the larger versions of each. Use the code iAM10 at our online store at www.arisemd.com. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next video.